This is Kesman 93.3 FM, a new wave of excellence in radio.
Andy, Babinti stories in the room with Grand Crab.
After Saturday, say just in case Chelsea lose to you.
Ready, I'm going to go.
Okay. You know, well, the major leagues in Europe now may start from Spain.
Yeah.
Say, what check last season, Abana is done for Real Madrid. Among first two games, I'm called San Sebastian. And at the second game, I'm called Estadio Benito Villamarín. That was against Real Betis. And the two away games, I'm boy, and you really not Real Madrid were 4 points here or more. But no, wait me, I should 3 goals, no, I consider 2. So after this season, I'm about 2 games in a way. Now 2 games on my bono back, almost share Alaves by 4 goals to 1. And then normally Levante ball 3-3. Into again, they've scored 7 and conceded 4. Last season, you really got the best defense in the Spanish La Liga. We are Atletico Madrid free or not the next team, Real Madrid. Can they maintain that same stature in terms of defending this particular season? Yehu Carlo Ancelotti oba why improve attack no? Na se jo Osha Gary Bale was the first goal against Levante for the first time in 2 years for Real Madrid. Karim Benzema cannot stop scoring. So Osha in the first game of boy and the number of goals for Real Madrid and even last season goals are washed until he doesn't need improvement. But Gary Bale has improved in the last 2 games for Real Madrid. Again, Eden Hazard is yet to score. But I had that answer now Vinicius Junior bar 2 games, 3 goals, and then not check the goals. Vinicius Junior demo team a friend in Real Madrid, especially the second goal. But be of far ball and look at the technique how the ball network them and the third one as well. In the attack, it look sharp. And again, Isco now the missing Isco. No Bianca no and no opportunity or dema Isco in midfield alongside Casemiro and Federico Valverde no Obia who the Isco beat me. The Isco Real Madrid against Atletico Madrid in the Champions League. No Bia any Atletico Madrid beat me at the deficit no magical conjoy at the one at that particular time no and no been no who or Isco. But defensively there have been change of personalities at the back. Alaba Lucas Vazquez airbo, Eder Militao airbo, Nacho airbo inti. Aye new faces and airbo back for no. And unti nasejo. There are loopholes and especially and Obia share kwen you say Campana. Eddie Abranti FN Lucas Vazquez efaso. Obia share Abranti FN Roger Mari. Eddie the 2 center backs of Nacho and then Eder Militao efaso. Now check kwen Alaba faso gifty go no the man Roger Marina. Echose Ancelotti ewo adwumaye in defense. Obian himself he is a typically attacking coach. But again, Sergio, in the Spanish La Liga, so person competing here. Or find your right balance in attack. Now get goals no go in. Now again, find a way so bet me find a proper balance in your midfield too. Now defense no Sergio, who make it sure to be watertight. And that's as a now share a free scoring teams just like Valencia, just like Villarreal, just like Real Sociedad, just like Celta Vigo. Sergio Obebre. And again, you say Campana HSA, he's one player who is very consistent in the Spanish La Liga, and the teams need to take him seriously. And I was so happy for Vinicius Junior, or a player I care about the production line and the final deliveries or the ball in the era 18 at a point in the Bimukre trade and say or the ball outside the 18-yard line just like Nema. But the moment to be 18 was who your Ben as a Joe, what Danny Timo Viana or Bobo on the sense. And then at that time, you need to come back from the bench and change the game for Timaya friend Real Madrid. Tikala Ancelotti there, but again, he need to make sure the defense no beat me. Barcelona called San Mamés. Now you show how Barcelona will play Bilbao at the San Mamés without Lionel Messi. One of the difficult venues for Barcelona in recent time. But Sergio, I dare back open you here. In my opinion, that was so positive for the Barcelona team. The consistency of Memphis Depay. He was the live wire in attack. And he was the focal point as well. The moment of Bejibo knew anymore, I want to say Daniel Vivian, the likes of Inigo Martinez, and that's as I do. Griezmann, it doesn't look sharp in the first 2 games. He looked off color in the last 2 games. And Osha Bracewater, he had been on and off. Excellent in the first game, but Enra chance Onya no be enu so the better atem no want me and Fabon and towards them. Macasa Frankie de Jong in my opinion had been disappointing. the kind of performance and I'm expect so the Baban went to me and so be or share Danny Garcia to control your midfield and almost said loophole let Barcelona different team, especially Gerard Piqué as I could not that no corner of Frimono Intina Garcia, Eric Garcia versus Ronaldo Araujo Intina quite them for Ike Munian, Abrantia Feninaki Williams and then Asan Sancheta. Not to do. See my friend about all the chances, all the spaces. Some come with me punish Barcelona, no Barcelona. In the first half, Omuketi 5 clear chances are not making ball not to them. But you and Neto looks shaky inside the 18 boxer. Now we're in the area now, ball no control and opo. But what can you see? That is the Spanish La Liga. Barcelona are still trying to make amends, trying to build a team without any necromancer. A bit take it time and sound on me about baby I don't want. But I feel with the quality available, the players need to do better. Because performance on Modema, any run at my team no ball no mobile said you and so any passer want to compete said you they will need to do more before my team are competing.
But I say I'm going to say that 4-2.
Yes,
yes. 4-1, eh?
Oh yes.
Okay, 4-2.
No, a Madrid match and I'm a can for 1.
Madrid now
can for 1. When can was a scholar.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
When can was a scholar. And said you Sana Barcelona at the end of the year. Well, because of time into my Premier League.
No uncle Siri Akaka.
Come Kohan.
Kohoka Kazan of Premiership.
Okay.
If someone for interested with Jose Mourinho say Roma. Yeah.
No, said you. And then me be Jumana me be.
Okay, bit my yenhwe Tammy Abraham assist no 2 assist goals no.
Me be Jumana me be share game no and Jose I think he's on the right path. One team away Italy any one Napoli talent ho. Inter e wo mo history, Milan e wo mo history. Juventus in the Serie A said you because of the number of trophies or magic when it comes to the Italian Serie A. But one team in common but more talent at their disposal. A team a friend of Fiorentina. So what's your team now? One of the most sought after centre backs in Europe in Milenkovic. Again, what Ago, a Brazilian on a pair in defense. Christian Berardi, who have been part of the Italian national team. Come to Medford, Giancomo Bonaventura or by AC Milan Alpha and on call. In attack, they have Nicola Gonzalez of Argentina. They have Vlahovic, Dusan Vlahovic. Season we no BN so one in Tamalada. Obeko Atlanta or Obeko Atletico Madrid. And then penning 4 more Fiorentina said there be Sicana teams in the change of Nomompe. And again, they have Jose Callejon. It is a team that is full of talent and players. Omuko big teams, Omanti flourishing on my Babi Siakan. Playing against Jose Mourinho team, Makasi, the moment I who the lineup, no one said this is Jose Mourinho. At the end of who check the double pivot of Brandt Crescente and Jordan Verreata. No one who said Jose is at work because that pivot no there and not just obey your free defense in him because I had the likes of Mattia Vena. Or he'll be say Roger Ibenas, Gianluca Mancini, and Karl Dopper. This is a new blend that will try to build something together. And to obey any Pamienu, I'll bet me a dinner that defense net him. No, give space to Lorenzo Pellegrino to flourish. But again, it was a day and a debut for Tammy Abraham. Said you turning the defenses of Igor and Milenkovic into 6s and 7s. Or show his skill set, and one of the minimums on Benas high skill now. Milenkovic be quite fast so the ball ne fan he was on the right. I don't know he was on the right, he was at the center, he was on the left, and the moment the ball you see 2 center backs let you know who say oh yeah juma for the front 2 now on can hono no be him say Roma be me say Edin Dzeko. When you meet Edin Dzeko, you've missed goals, you make a bank of goals. Tammy Abraham was the top scorer for Chelsea last season, but on your player was show say Obeba goals baby. But again, the talent is available, and the moment I'll be who said this is a quality player coming through the runs with time will be me flourishing. Again, Italian Serie A, it is more easy say Obeko hold down performance na kwa because defensively, a defense na ankasa di abono. Yedi kan kasa it is a team, a league that is defensively oriented and tactically aware. Form tactical plan in Niagro, and they don't open up just like that. And it's only a player and the first game be that. And in recent time, we've seen English players. I'm calling him wide in the even Chris Smalling at first started by where is he now? Joe Hart is so called man for so for you to have an English talent, travel all the way to Italy at the Stadium Olimpico. Now Timmy bought this particular game in his debut, Chester Tammy Abraham. And a lot of things here. So Roma supporters no respect for him. Look at this pass. Shebe or J ball no, not sure be or the ball to ya and son Eric Mkhitaryan 18 ball down to it. So it was a proper debut for Abrante Efene Tammy Abraham, a man of the match performance. It almost one Timia and crown it go, but to crown it to 2 assists, no, really tells you say he has shown promise, and Roman fans should expect a lot from Abrante Efene Tammy Abraham.
Yeah. After Premiership weekend and some a dozen. And the crank, okay. Yeah.
So Joe, there share Liverpool against Burnley. Yeah, who said last season it drew same way Dino in Burnley or Anfield, normal betray Liverpool. Say the likes of James Tarkowski, Ben Me, and all those guys still are more available. No more thing at the Amatima, your friend Chelsea. Into the end, himself continue to know Saha beat me. But again, so check the performance of Chelsea in the last 2 games. No, be team friend Liverpool in the last 2 games. Maybe be the presence of Van Dijk added so much to their squad, especially in defense. Joe Matip and so added so much to Omu defense. Last season, and the man Koyan Farm Omono, Emma Sajo. This particular time, Obi the Liverpool player. Again, Yahusa Roberto Firmino against Diego Yota. At a point, the coach decided to play a 4-2-4 in some of the games. And to this season, here, so Roberto Firmino form and Abafem into Obama Diego Yota chance in up front. Now, what Timia changing the old Salamani. Abrante Efene Firmino nana, and then only had your penny friend Jurgen Klopp and said, what do you expect? The stability at the back in the presence of Virgil van Dijk, or give you rotational in midfield, keeping Fabinho at the main man at the heart of the midfield, and any monus was I keep pushing up front by benching Roberto Firmino, thinking so Fletcher on onto the different quality the Baba can aid the Liverpool team. Mo Salah continue to flourish everywhere, and Liverpool team again. Very quiet. Until the BR or more just like compared to Manchester City, compared to A team and friend Manchester United and Chelsea. Passaggio games, you know, my bono. Look at this goal from Sadio Mane, a cracker from Sadio Mane. 6 points, and almost just say they are living on a very low note. But again, people should watch out for Liverpool. Almost look any stood on 10. They are still in the competition, and almost one team. So the last season, so she quiet. No be any set of for more. No more Fletcher baby Rumuna. Chelsea Liverpool are fully prepared, and almost try so hard. So almost see a favorite for this particular championship. A good game from Sadio Mane and his charges, and I think Liverpool deserve the 3 maximum points against my friend Ben.
Let me be over the weekend. Let me show Liverpool as a Chelsea.
Oh yes, sir.
A big game.
So you are a match fit for the boss.
Mr. Wawa inviting baby
Saturday weekend. Manchester. A match fit for the boss. Then we don't come on Grova.
I'm too crazy with this in bad eba.
So Yonko, Manchester. A match fit for the goals.
Yes.
Sanity. Be a bit me. And said you what beating me shadow. What break it back. When you're bragging right, they will send show promise, and again confidence and momentum at the big season in Messia Costro until drew her a bit me.
Sure.
Manchester United against Southampton. Now check last season go said you not goes no see a buy na no be in city ma your friend Manchester United airco airbo against Southampton there. Nanka besa to us why is Passaggio in a different story altogether. And United team no they no be enemies or beat me and team amfa. Control proceedings so well, especially Paul Pogba in midfield. But the likes of John Stevens, Mohamed Salisu, and Valentino Livramento, Chelsea Accra, and I said, you know about right, meaning so now, a crowd demand you fast on run or football or Costa. They were solid, and I'm making sure say 10 be United big robbers in Piano, they will outnumber Manchester United. Because keep an eye on a branch Anthony Marshall and then Mason Greenwood, making sure that they would withdraw a branch Bruno Fernandes and Paul Pogba to the area. 18 because what the power to strike in terms of long range. And only Juma Theophilus Walcott sitting as a transitor on that particular right, and James Ward-Prowse in midfield. I said, Joe. United here, the only time Mama party was it was in the second half. Again, my then they struggle to transit. No much mean football and call many. At Manchester United will be and say and said you match we ba be match here for their mom no team I friend is Southampton and Chia mama so and look at how they struggle before Mason Greenwood a team the ball not to them a lot expected of this United setup based on the quality and the expansive squad and said almost had this so much in there but said you performance on the field of play no any expectation and for penny that entirely it is a Manchester United supporter and I was sending a message but I say only a scout. He doesn't believe he's a coach. But what can you say? You can't win all matches. But if United want to compete for the EPL, they must back up. Also, I'm left to game.
Last week after United's first win, they started shouting, "We have won the league." Gradually, the men are being separated from the boys. Last week I told you that these coaches will be sacked this season. Ole and Arteta. Let's see what happens. As for Chelsea, they should keep on bragging. 28th is just around the corner. After meeting Liverpool, they will know their level. Chelsea can't score Liverpool, and that can happen. If it happens, I'll go on hunger strike for 1 month. Liverpool is back. Anyway, for your information, Jurgen Klopp has stopped wearing his spectacle and can now see clear. Watch out for Liverpool. Pastor Prince, Pastor Prince,
Enra at the Emirates. Born on Mekan, Chelsea bury in it. But not the any in our done so. Not the cameras in our done so. Not the new beer, shadow no beer, war coming back to the Premier League. Romelu Lukaku. And first of all, she said, is it going to be Timo Werner versus Kai Havertz? Now Lukaku started from the bench. And I said, Lukaku, Timo Werner, and then Abrantia, I friend Romelu Lukaku. But the coach preferred Kai Havertz to Abrantia, friend Timo Werner in attack. And said, you, Enra, Chelsea team, no, say, oh, your team now. You try to find the loopholes in there, but you don't find it. They have arguably the best goalkeeper in the Premier League in post. Now, in terms of form,
Mendy
it's arguably the best. So you want in terms of form, one out about the back.
Wow.
My own Alisson even lost his position to the Manchester City goalkeeper Ederson at the Brazilian national team. David De Gea, you now see more Tuno even in the national team. Hugo Lloris formula doesn't come closer to Edouard Mendy. Are you talking of Ben Leno? No. Lisandro Martinez, he come closer. And he said, yo, bring on the goalkeeper. And then in terms of performance, individually, Odenebe better to Mendy in the Premier League. He's arguably the best goalkeeper in there. That is my opinion. Until I'm arguably national. You can bring in a goalkeeper that you feel in terms of performance. And now you say will be second half.
Oh, just soccer ball.
Yes.
Soccer ball.
Yes.
Okay.
Brilliant. And so in terms of footwork, solid. In terms of organization, solid. In terms of timing, solid. Anytime he is called upon, excellent. Or be a height, area, dwarfs, everything. Born in town in our city, say Edison. But so to hear Chelsea ties for play now, they build from the back and he's on the start or Mutono at the back.
Oh, that is Steve now, kind of.
Yes.
And here is
yes.
Saka shot no boy. Yeah.
Yes.
Wow.
We're taking it by surprise.
Yeah, sure.
But so you look at that save. As I say, we have been I'm going to come for not to the top.
Yeah.
So okay. Same. Until you try to sit back, find the loopholes of the Chelsea team. When you say your coach and you try as an opponent. Now you video now, but pay the loopholes in the Chelsea team. I catch any opponent. But the loopholes are so limited. You don't find them. Obia bar or mount 100% performance. Look at Marcos Alonso. Because I know last season not bench. Check the performance of Deba. Everybody have forgotten about Thiago Silva. 2 games now I born on more. Why? Because Chaluba Club first game no performance of Deba and the training. Look at Christensen yesterday. Rudiger continued to be the mainstay at the heart of the treble. Caesar for the quarter. And Arsenal in terms of quality, no to me match Chelsea, but near heard their Chelsea Bayern or Park. So look at their midfield, Matthew Kovacic, Jorginho. So performance no is so overwhelming. And look at Obi say Mason Mount, Kai Havertz, and the main man Romelu Lukaku. Ben White amo into near Shehawa. Team friend Arsenal they beat me to stop Lukaku. But say you at the back and the last time people say a question said Tina Olivier Giroud yes center forward. Now Romelu Lukaku yes center forward. Not Chelsea decide so mu beja Abrantia your friend Olivier Giroud kwan na omoko for Lukaku. Say now share ball ni bia obehu the difference between Romelu Lukaku and then Olivier Giroud. Say what are the differences? One. Chebebia Lukaku ebe drop up abeje ball. So you hold your baby or bed drop. No, you always find Abrante fellow Olivier Giroud inside the box, but Lukaku draw deep, hold that play, move the attack, create space for them, act as a decoy. So if you go in the fast by and go in the fast by, so you Lukaku go now. Carvers they play as a false 9. Lukaku play the withdrawal rule, and on some use to space now as the ball to at them. So he comes with different qualities, and especially when it comes to one-on-one situation, on the right, on the left, at the center, inside the 18 box, and to do or create goals not for no other players. How now struggle to hold him inside the box, and again check a coin of us so pinball more Ben little a year. Chelsea Abba and define a personality up front. Are they are messy in their game? No, they find an identity. And so we are dropper. Okay, Diego Costa. Who say you find the dropper type of striking in Romelu Lukaku? Who be and especially.
What was very.
Okay, Mate Sergio.
It was very.
Mate.
Mr. Opa, Mr. Kawan Samu Opa, Matis no. But Kukra na me interest won't buy Olympic Marseille in this game no. The day Sabas buy ya. I don't know Macau.
You brother, Mate for
him. Some men a Kosuya.
Mate for him hardly.
Very serious.
Hardly. Myself on had is the Cobra set up.
Yakoba, ya Yabuaso as a goal be a Poland. Ghana, ya. Na man for person de compare JJ Okocha. Almost in a fete Okocha go na or shed it here Olikano.
Ah, okay.
Those days.
Yes,
okay.
Yes.
Already on my interest I go na ya boy. Washeno policy I am dead Is it Whistler Krakow?
Yes.
That's the team, eh?
Yes.
Okay. Already on my interest I go no. Yeah. Now we na narrow or TV also on Tiapo. Me I mean on Tiapo or TV. Say your program what true say ya go no 50 times better than Lukaku's tapping goal.
But someone used to go on.
Oh,
someone used to go and young can.
Okay, no, Lukaku tapping goal the yellow.
You want to know? You want to know? Say you, one more boy who said tapping goal. Okay, yati.